Hello, today I'm going to show you how to do these bubble braids. So let's get right into it.
So you're going to start by dividing your hair into two sections. We're going to start that one section by grabbing a section of hair and putting it into a rubber band. Now we're going to grab another section of hair and combine it with that first section and then tie that off with a rubber band as well. And you're going to continue grabbing sections of hair and adding it in and then tying it off with rubber bands all the way down. Now that we've completed both sides, you're going to start pulling at each section carefully. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future tutorials.
Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next tutorial. Take care. Bye.